How's it going, everyone? Today's a very good day, and let me tell you why. First of all, I'm with Luxury Install and Repairs. But let me tell you why today's a very special day. Well, it's the first video of my channel. And for you guys that don't know me, my name is Chris, and I'm going to show you guys the first car we got on repair today. It's a 640i 2014. I picked it up at the auction. Let's hit it. Time to show you guys. Turbo. Picked it up at the local auction. It's a towing company that has a local auction once a month. Got it for a really good price, guys. Really killer price. Got it for $3,525 was the fee. So $35.25 out the door. They only charged me $25 in fees, plus the $25 entrance, which is non-refundable. But yeah, here it is, 640i X-Drive, twin power turbo. Really clean. The M package. So it got the stock M wheels, 20 inches. Got the motor cap right there. Has a dead battery right now, but that's no biggie. We're gonna go get one tomorrow. If we could make it today, we'll get one today. I already hooked up the jumpers and hooked it up to another car, and everything works good on it. The radio, navigation. It's a real nice car, especially for $3,500 out the door. Just can't complain with that. All it needs, motor-wise, is the throttle body. Did not have the throttle body, and it also did not have one of the engine coolers. There's one right there. It's missing the passenger side engine oil cooler. We'll need a new bumper, more than likely. I don't know yet. I'm gonna try to repair this one, but if worst comes to worst, I will be getting one. Show you guys it now. And I'll show you the damage. Sun is beating right now. Think it's like 101 degrees outside. Last time I checked about an hour ago. Maybe it went down, maybe it went up. You're probably saying, where's the damage? But, oh, there's damage. Previous owner let their dog chew on the bumper. Right here. Let me see if I can pull it into the shade so you guys can get a better look. That sun is super killer bright. So it looks like a dog chewed on it. Also in there, that for sure has to be chew marks. It's cracked. You can see where they tried to drill a screw onto it. Right there. Has a little bit of damage right here. This side seems to be pretty good. Not too bad, not too shabby. Does have a hole right here. Other than that, it's a clean bumper. Besides one of these tabs. The tab is broken. I might just trash it, but I might give it a try first before I do. Never know, I might be able to save it. Got a sticker right in the middle. Now let's head into the inside. Let's check out the interior. It is the M package. Doors are definitely clean. Ivory white interior. Seats do have somewhere right here in this area. The shift knob was cracked. Digital gauges. Paddle shifters. Sport and comfort mode. Cup holders. Cigarette lighter. Seats do have some wear on them. The backrest seems to be great. It's just the bottom part that really needs some work. I haven't tried cleaning it yet. I did barely just get it. The back seats seem good. Alcantara roof. Feels real good. Even the pillars. I went down to BMW earlier today, and I did get the paper of the price check for the parts. Let's see what they told me. Let's walk on to the other side. Damn, this sun is killer. Killer. Got the DTS. Needs a starter. Got it on Vogue tires. I got the center caps. Just haven't put them on. We will be needing to do some work on this dent right here. Might just hammer it out or pull it out. Little bit of Bondo, repaint the hood, or the trunk I mean. Replace the back tail light. And like I said, the starter. I don't know if I should paint it yet. Any colors, guys? Give me some advice. What color do you guys think would go good with this Cadillac DTS? Got the 7 Series right here, 750 Li, 2008. Let's see what BMW told us, or quoted us, should I say. Let me find the paper. Here it is. Sandia BMW. For the charge air induct, 402. For the engine oil cooler, 484. Plus a damping something, 476, which ain't much. Total came out to 961. We will be on our way over there shortly. Gotta pick up the parts. Get this car on the road so we can start on the bumper. First get the mechanical issue solved. Once the mechanical issue is solved, then we could head on to the bumper. So yeah, that's about it for my first video, guys. Tell me what you think. Hit that like button if you like what you saw. Subscribe so you could be updated on part 2 of the build. I will post a video of me installing the the throttle body and the oil cooler. And yeah, we'll get this bad boy on the road. I don't know if I should go with this same blue on this either. I might change it. I don't know, black maybe? I already have the white 7 Series, so maybe a black one. Or comment if you like this color. I mean, the paint's really clean on this. Really clean. See if it focuses. But the paint's awesome. So yeah, guys, that wraps it up for about this first video. Tell me what you guys think. Hit that subscribe button so we could get the future builds coming. I was thinking about a Benz for next month. This should be actually this one should be out in a couple days, so I'll start looking into coupe art for the next build. Like I was saying, this one I picked up at the local auto auction at the towing company. $3,500. $35.25 out the door, $25 fee. And that's it. That's a wrap. See y'all later.